Okay, so we have now entered the Messages tab, and if you notice in this tab we have a couple of different sub-tabs that we can click on. So in this video we'll go through each tab and discuss what they allow you to do. So we'll begin with the first one, that's voicemail. And again, if we drop down here we see a list of voicemails. Currently I only have one voicemail in my mailbox, and this will show you again the number that it came from, the date and time, the duration of the voicemail, and allow you to perform those same functions that we did over in the Home tab, such as forward the voicemail, download it, or delete it. If we look here too, we have a new drop-down menu. We can select this, and that will allow us to look at any saved messages that we have, or any deleted or trashed messages that we have as well. And we would just select that and it would display those there. The next tab that we have is the Chat tab, and when we click on that, this feature allows you to instantly chat with other users that are on the system. So for instance, to create a new chat with somebody, we would just click New Conversation, and we would scroll down, and here we could enter either the number or the user that we would like to chat with. So for our test here, we'll go ahead and chat with Sam, and we click Start Conversation. And we can just send him a message, which I've already done for testing purposes, where it says, "Hey Sam, just testing out the chat feature." Now Sam will be notified that he has a new chat, and to review any chats that you have created with others, they'll display in this listed area right here. So we see this message that I have sent to Sam is right here. We can click on it and review any previous messages that we've sent to each other. And we can reply from here as well. The third and final tab, the Settings tab. Now, there's a lot of information in here, but really what we're going to focus on is the Greetings section. This is where you can change or add greetings to your personal voicemail. This will allow you to do it from the portal instead of calling into your voicemail from your extension. You can do it right from your portal here. To do that, all you're going to do is click the Manage button right next to Voicemail Greeting. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you can click Add Greeting. And you have a couple different ways you can do this. You can record your own greeting. You give it a name, maybe something like Main Greeting. And you can tell it where to call you at. You can have it call you at your extension or on your cell phone. And as soon as you click call, your phone, whether it's your extension or your cell phone, will start ringing, and when you answer it, it'll prompt you to say, "Please record at the tone." So you record your greeting, and then as soon as you're done, it'll pop up in this list down here. The other way that you can do this is the text-to-speech feature, which when you select that, it allows you to actually write out your greeting in a message format. For instance, "Please leave a message." And then you can select the voice that you want to read it. So you might have to go through and see which voice appeals to you the most, but when you select the voice and you click Save, it'll appear right down again in that list of greetings. And we come down and we can click Done down here. And once we've selected our greeting, whichever one that we want, we just click Save, and any changes that we've made are now saved and pushed to the voicemail itself. So that's an overview of the voicemail, of the Messages tab, and feel free to look at our website for any other videos that are to follow.